Hey, Anton here. Today I represent for you new generation of automation. It's a AI automation with the automatic and AI workflow builder. It's super interesting. I check it and I give you my real feedback like technical specialist and like marketer for 16 years, and I highly like it. What's inside? Inside the new modern AI-based automation. Yeah, it looks like Zapier and other platform, but it have interesting feature like automation and the text automation and yeah, 2700 integration inside for all your tasks. You can make outreach, sales processes, marketing, research, and so on. Yeah, and it's amazing. Let's go inside this platform. Inside the Glow, this is my dashboard. Here is, I have one integration, and here is you can find templates what you can use for all your needs. Let's jump to my first workflow when I connect Google Sheets and Gmail and notifications through email. I'm using AI assistant and it's super easy. It's super easy because here is you chatting and after it, it's a automate all this process. It's like magic because I write, yeah, please make the workflow when you connect Google Sheets, new data with and notification in Telegram. And I make all this thing. It's amazing. Next, I want to change automation from Telegram to email and it makes new workflow here. I need only click to link account. It's amazing. It's amazing. Here is inside. You check the account, the task what you need, and all other thing. It's a modding and yeah, spreadsheet ID. Here is in the mail. It's the same. It's account and it's instruction. What you want to do. Here is a right where you can send email and about the subject and the body. What's inside. And it's all. Next, you switch from the draft to the live, and it works automatically. I share with you how it works, like proof. Yeah, here is my best table. I add one more data here. You can see that automation in the process. No errors or other thing. Checked our sheet and now send emails. Yeah, and my smartphone has the new information. Yeah, it's new email 1 minute ago right now about hey, what we automate and what's inside our instruction. What's the magic? The magic. Here is you can make like a new modern like me, non-technical guys, workflow automation inside, right? Integrate. I don't know, TikTok and ChatGPT. It's one scenario. It's on beta. You don't need it. And the next one, you can use your all favorite apps. For example, you write message to the bot here, and it create your post on WordPress. Okay. And next one, when it's done, they write email that's everything it's okay, and like this automation for a few seconds. You can see it's like real magic, yeah, to make something interesting. And now it's only one problem. It's your imagine. You need to make something new ways of integration, because now you don't have the problem, technical problem, because in the Glow you can make everything what you want, like me, like from scratch, or like using assistant. It's more new way for making with not technical guys. Yeah, try to use the Glow for you. getglow.ai. Super interesting tool. I like it so much because my experience, it's Zapier, it's make.com and other platform. I use it. I have this experience, and Glow looks amazing. Yeah, highly recommend. Anton with you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.